Hey guys, I have an updated how to cornrow for beginners video. Very simple, very straight to the point. So you start off with sectioning the hair into a small section. Then I take the front of the hair and split it into a smaller section. I then split that section into 3 sections. We're not going to begin the braiding or the cornrowing just yet. We're just going to get the motion and the finger placement down first. So you should have 3 separate sections like this. A middle one, a first one, and a last one. The technique is very simple. You take the piece of hair that's furthest away from you, you bring it under, through the middle, and you grab, as you can see. And then you take the piece of hair that's now closest to you, you bring it under, all round, through, and grab. You then take the piece of hair that's furthest away from you. You bring it underneath, through that middle loop, and you grab. Keep that flotation going. You take the piece of hair that's closest to you, pull it under, through, and grab. And that's the motion for cornrowing. I haven't done an actual cornrow because I just want you to get the finger placement down first, but we are going to do it now. Take the front section, split it into 3 smaller sections. Take the section furthest away from you, pull it under, through, and grab. Take the section which is now closest to you, you put it under, through, and grab. Keep following that same routine. Take the section that's furthest away from you, under, through, and grab. Take the section that's closest to you, you pull it under, through, grab. This section is now furthest from you, you pull it under, through, grab. Again, don't worry about the braid being neat. We are just getting technique. The section that's close, and also it's a reflection of how the braid will look when you first start doing this as well. If you can get it to look perfect, then you're just a born braider. But yeah, furthest away from you, under, through, grab. Again, sorry, that was closest to you. Further away from you, under, through, grab. Closest to you, under, through, grab. Furthest away from you, under, through, grab. Closest to you, under, through, grab. And if you notice I keep doing this, it's just to create the separation in the different pieces, because sometimes it can get jumbled. So it's just for me to clarify that this is the new section. So I'm just kind of creating that clear separation. So again, furthest away from you, under, through, grab. Closest to you, under, through, grab, and keep following that same motion. I'm going to make it look a bit neater, and I'm not going to say anything, just so you can get the flow down again and just, yeah, get used to the technique. If you notice, I'm like helping pull the hair into the braid. That's also something you can do just to make it look a bit neater. The only reason why I'm helping pull the hair into the braid is because this is quite a chunky section of hair. So the under pull grab method works if it's a smaller piece of hair. It works with bigger pieces as well, but also pulling the hair into the braid helps just keep it to look neat and uniform all the way to the bottom. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's neater. Grab the hair from the front first, split that section into 3 smaller sections, same thing. And you grab the hair furthest away from you, pull it under, through, and grab. And then take the hair closest to you now, pull it under, through, grab. Keep repeating this motion. Take the hair furthest away from you, pull it under, through, grab, take the piece of hair closest to you, pull it under, through, grab, furthest away from you, under, through, grab, closest to you, under, through, grab. Repeat, furthest away from you, under, through, grab, closest to you, under, through, grab. Keep repeating, furthest away from you, under, through, grab. Don't worry about it being perfect. This braid is ugly because I just want you to get the technique down. Closest to you, under, through, grab, furthest away from you, under, through, grab. Let's keep repeating, closest to you, under, through, grab. Just keep repeating this little chant to yourself. Furthest away from you, under, through, and grab. Keep repeating this routine all the way down. All the way down. Furthest, under, through, grab. Closest, under, through, grab. Don't worry about them being perfect. We'll perfect them when we're used to the technique. I'm not going to say anything this time. You guys are simply just going to watch what I'm doing. I'm going to use the method or the technique that I've been teaching you.
Every single time that you're cheating, every single time you get her beat down. Let me drop some style on a sweet one. And then she open up like off license. Let me fuck it up like in Bison. Baby, back it up cause I'm rising. Girl with a pretty face, you're looking good tonight. Can I get your name? I ain't gonna waste no time. Give me your dirty wine. And baby, make sure you're taking your time.
Side note, as I'm doing this, it's coming out neater because I'm pulling the hair very taut as I'm doing it, so it can be nice and firm and tight. That's important.
I see your pretty face, you're looking good tonight.
And that is the braid. So this is how it should look, neater, following the same technique. Again, it can always look neater. A braid can always look neater. But yeah, this is just for rough demonstration purposes. And the only difference is why it came out neater than when I was teaching you. It's because I'm pulling the hair taut. I'm pulling it and just making sure each piece of hair is smooth as I'm grabbing and pulling under and through. Okay. So in the UK we call it Cornrows, even though it's pronounced Cornrows. So if I keep saying Cornrows, I actually mean the Cornrow.
When we know that you're taking your style from me, I see you coming like you're coming on a mission. I'm coming and I'm coming with precision. Girl, you're not my enemy. I really wanna make you a friend of me. I only hit it one time, now she is begging me, telling me if I hit it twice, she won't let me leave. I ain't tryna share my affection. You already know my intention. I might even put you on my timeline. You might even see it in your mention. But don't get too inner. They say cure is worse than prevention. Baby, I ain't seeking for perfection. Let me keep you back like we're sitting in detention. She pretty on any side. That's why you got my attention. Girl with a pretty face, you're looking good tonight. Can I get your name? I ain't gonna waste no time. Give me your dirty wine. And baby, make sure you're taking your time. I like the way you're taking your time on me. The way you rough up on me. She make her body flick up on me. And she giving me loving from A to Z. Every girl I love me from A to Z. But we be getting money only. So you can't step up and style on me when we know that you're taking your style from me. Taking your style from me. When we know that you're taking your style from me. When we know that you're taking your style from me. And if I hit it a third time, we might call it a thing. I might buy you a ring, but I can't say a thing. If you know what I mean, then you know what I'm into. She used to tell me she's vegan, now she really wanna meet. Cause she's loving the beat, so I give her the heat every time that we meet and G. Every single time that we meet up, every single time that you sit down, every single time that you're cheating, every single time you get a beat down. Let me drop some style on a sweet one. Then she open up like off license. Let me fuck it up like in Bison. Baby, back it up, cause I'm rising. Girl with a pretty face, you're looking good tonight. Can I get your name? I ain't gonna waste no time. Give me your dirty wine. And baby, make sure you're taking your